In Nyamira County, we don't have a university. There was one that was here as a satellite campus, and it was closed down some time back. And so we encourage our leaders who are now discussing keenly. You know, I'm very grateful that Madam Zipora, you are here. You are part of the people who will decide in the place where this university will be placed for the betterment of the future of the generations of the people of Nyamira. So we implore and urge all the leaders around to join hands, discuss amicably without selfish intentions, so that they can settle on a place where this university can be established and education will be pushed further and further in this county of Nyamira. When I was in Narok, when we didn't have a university, I was in the graduate because I could not afford to go and pay for myself far away. So when the university came, I realized many things have changed and the economy has improved from then henceforth. And that's why I became a product of Masai Mara University and now found my way far ahead. The principal and the teachers and the students and the rest of the workers. This is a school of excellence. And as I alluded earlier before you sat for your examinations, some of you know, nobody can bogo us. There was one class that indicated that we are unbogable. So this school should not be bogoed. It should be a school that be left to explore and hit its lines of excellency. So then, we want to request that you work together. Because when we hold together, we can be able to achieve greater things. I thank God because I have not had any kind of politics in the school. And we discourage if there's anyone thinking of doing that, we cannot allow that because such kind of behavior has led to the deterioration and underperformance of the schools within this locality. From the places where we come, we don't even recognize clans. In fact, we hear those things here at home. So we urge everybody to support this school so that we can work and achieve excellence from this area of Nyamira. And as I was consulting, I was told that this school has students from all over the country, from all the 47 counties. How then can we say that this is not a national school? It is a national school, and we must have it portray the image of that kind. And we hope it's going to succeed. So in the next 1 year, we want to score a straight A, 2 years a straight A, 3 years a straight A, and finally in 2027, we get an A. And we'll have transformed about 20,000 students into university materials and working class persons. And as you learn from here, kindly note that you should not always focus on being employed. It's good to be employed because I'm also employed. All these ones are employed. But I can also tell you that I'm an employer of 94 employees. So I'm almost like Sironga girls. You are at 140 teachers. I am at 94 myself. So when we live here as students, always think in terms of being an entrepreneur and a person who can do other things which can bring blessings to other people, not only being employed. Being employed is okay, serve, but we also want you to do other things that will bring up the economy and encourage other people to also see the light through having them employed so that they can earn a living.